Is this clipper going to be worth upgrading from the original Instinct? Hi guys, welcome back to another video with the Rusty Blades YouTube Barber. It's been a minute since I was last on doing some videos, but I'm back and I'm going to be unboxing a new clipper from Stylecraft, and that clipper is the new Metal Instinct edition. So we're going to open this box, we're going to have a look inside, see what we get. I'm going to compare it to the original Instinct, and I will do a sound test on both of those. So the original one with the plastic back and the new one with the metal back. There's a lot to get through. Let's stop messing about and get straight into having a look at the new Metal Instinct from Stylecraft. If you're looking for any products outside of Stylecraft and Gamma, head over to Williamsport, Bowman, Barber Supply, use discount code Rusty10 and save yourself 10%. So let's have a look now inside the box. As usual, it's always nice packaging. Inside you have the two lids and the clipper. That's the clipper. Your two lids, the white and the hot pink. White is my personal favourite. You get your charging dock, screwdriver, your bag of knickknacks, and your micro USB cable, plug, and a full set of dubs, and also your warranty card. So that is what you get inside of the box. We've had a look inside the box, we've seen what we get in there. Now it's time to have a look at the clipper itself and have a look at some of the specifications. And a question that I kept getting asked on Instagram was, is this clipper a full metal clipper? The answer to that is no, it isn't. It's not a full metal clipper. It is the rear housing on the back is metal. You still got the plastic lids that go on the front, so they're interchangeable. So that's out of the way, that question's been answered. I hope that helps. Now we're going to have a look at some of the specifics of this clipper. It has the IN2 vector motor. If people don't know what the vector motor is, what this does is it has intuitive torque resistance. So when it reaches a point where if there's some thick air that it needs to get through, it will carry on running at 11,500 strokes per minute. It's not going to bog down. It's not going to get bogged down at all. It will just resist that, and it will just up the power to make sure that it cuts through seamlessly. It's assembled with the black diamond faper blade, and it also has the deep slim cutter on there. Now I'll try and get that into focus. I don't know if that is showing. Has a lithium ion battery with 4 hours of cordless runtime. That's absolutely great. It seems to be round about the standard now, anywhere from 3 hours to 4 hours of cordless runtime. And like I said, it has the rear metal housing. This is going to dampen the vibrations and the noise. I have got the original one here, if you can see. I will switch this on. I don't know if this is going to come through. It definitely feels like there's less vibration in the new one. It does come with the 5-point click lever. Obviously everyone knows, or who's watched my channel knows, that I'm a massive fan of the click lever system. It's something that when I first started, that wasn't really a thing. It was all floating levers, and now most clippers are coming with this, and it just helps you keep on track with your fades. It has the micro USB charging port at the back. The next question is this clipper going to be worth upgrading from the original Instinct? My answer to this would be, if you've got the original Instinct and it's working fine, I wouldn't bother, personally. I wouldn't spend the extra to upgrade. It's the same clipper, it does the same job, it cuts pretty much identical, although I didn't video the cut, but I'm saying pretty identical. It is identical, it cuts exactly the same. At the time of recording this video, it's up on the website for $2.99. You can use my code Rusty15, that'll save you 15% and knock that down for you a little bit if you are interested in this clipper. So now we're going to have a look at both of the clippers. So you've got the OG one here, and then you've got the new one on the left, the metal housing one. Straight off the bat, they're identical in size. They both have the 5-point click lever system. They both have the micro USB on the back to charge it up, but then you've got the plastic and the metal. That's just both of the clippers side by side, so you can actually see them, and like I say, there's not much difference there whatsoever, but it just feels more premium, does the metal one. Right guys, so that has been the Stylecraft Instinct Metal Edition clipper. If you found this video helpful, maybe you drop me a thumbs up, get down in comments, is this a clipper that you will be upgrading to? If you do, you can use my code Rusty15 at stylecraftus.com, it'll save you 15%. I've been Rusty Blades, and I will catch you in the next one where we'll be having a look at the gamma boosted trimmer.